Hey guys, it's Katie at scrappingkatie.ctmh.com, and I am going to walk through the These Are My People special from Close to My Heart that is going on right now through the end of April. You can purchase several kit options. This particular kit option is the Cut Above kit. It is a 6x8 album page kit that comes with 8 pages, a cover page, and an ending page. So let's see how simple this is to put together. So here is a look at what you get in the kit. So I'm just going to pull this out of the bag and show you the contents. It comes with enough page protectors. It also comes with a fully color illustrated guide with instructions on how to put the pages together. It comes with a sticker sheet that is labeled layouts 1 through 8, title page and ending page. It comes with all the pages as well as a couple of sheets of die cuts that are also labeled for the corresponding pages. These are all the elements for the pages, and so I'm just going to sort those out and put them in piles and then start to put these together. I sped this up really fast simply because it's so easy. You just read the instructions, look at the pictures, and either put the die cuts down, the stickers down, photo mats, and placeholders. So I thought that it would be best just to kind of show you how quick it comes together. To give you a little idea on time, I was able to do the entire album in 50 minutes. That is pretty fast, and now it is ready for my pictures. So as far as what I'm going to use this album for, I have considered several things, but I think I'm going to do it to document our stay at home because of the COVID-19. And I think that the titles on these pages are perfect for that because we are going to be around each other a lot, but I also think that each page is a little bit different. It allows you to kind of talk about staying at home, doing limited activities outside, maybe some homework, the closeness that you're going to feel over the next couple of weeks. And then the layout basically, or the album basically, is done and ready for photos. So this layout right here is the ending page. And then I'm going to walk you through each layout a little bit slowly so you can see. So there's the title page. That's a look at layout 1. Here is a look at layout 2, layout 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, these are not just feminine colors. There's also some masculine ones in there and some good titles for any type of album. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and sign up for notifications by clicking on the gray bell by the subscribe button. I will leave a link to the These Are My People special that is good from now until the end of April 2020 down in the description below.